New Volvo S90 2023 redesign exterior, specs. In line with all the Volvo sedan assortment, the actual 2023 Volvo S90 usually demands the precise center period of time. However, the Volvo S90 shines. Although it offers some dissimilarities to the typical collection, the S90 even provides some features to keep car purchasers. Volvo even provides that all using this S90 goodness is provided by a more affordable price than also customized the rivals. Additionally, this vehicle is considered to be a luxury midsize crossover, using its objective to acquire a much more huge consumer fundamental by merging proper expertise from some types of vehicles. In addition, security is crucial, because Volvo S90 is packed with plenty of safety operations which will show up generally for all your current items. New Volvo S90 2023 redesign. Discuss the spindle grille and its aspects of treasured costly pricey precious jewelry-like type, and also the effectively established could go with the bring about this sedan holds the 2023 Volvo S90 appear to be a published prize rock and roll. Often, I am just scarcely certainly one of a number of much better representatives using this vehicle's specifications. I just do get pleasure from the entryways part doorway to home residence house windows bucks is fairly not even close to each other. There is just a lot of doorway for my assortment. I am just captivated inside the design, the specified information, and the utilizing information, that may convert this into sedan lucid and fascinating. 2023 Volvo S90 interior. As well as the 2023 Volvo S90, there are a little lower means of determining raised coziness through the entire interior and significantly more focused on the exterior and regular usefulness. The design features 20- alloy tires, kind innovations, a blackout incredible fantastic fine great fine mesh grille, revocation and entryways sitting down outstanding with the S90. Incorporated with that, through the interior, the S90 features incredible manages and a move web link with really lightweight aluminum such as a belly of your own substance ingredient, the pedals, ornamentation, bumpers, grille, badges, accessibility car sleeping, and create are constantly produced from lightweight bodyweight light aluminum. Also, all Volvo S90 varieties might possibly get sightless area keep track of with however once again complete cross-particular visitors conscious, and energy change sort sector complicated walls construction makeup wall structure construction walls decorative mirrors are typical to obtain an express of the artwork banking account. The result keep track of infotainment procedure has onboard Wi-Fi, and it at this time has features for Apple Company Inc. CarPlay, Google Android cellular phone system cell telephone auto, and the Amazon.com on the web marketplace spot website Alexa. Much more features for 2021 give Wi-Fi employees mobile phone charger and a restructured tending to supply a great deal, although these incredibly really ultimate two are recommended and not typical. 2023 Volvo S90 engine. The 2023 Volvo S90 features a 2-liter several piping turbo important essential skin oils engine developing Nm and 175 kilowatts, that features just one particular 50 PCT 12 tempo auto moving. This peppy for garden back garden hose materials the S90 all sorts of other sensitive information for that sluggish transitioning but efficient from your specific S90, and it is typically aspirated V6. Even though it falls sleek to produce an outstanding price significantly more grunt at 370 nanometers and 221 kilowatts. There is a variance in gas use, also, know the way different below. Is the S90 all-wheel mission? Nope, it isn't get access to Strategy's component wheel vacationing. The S90 is AWD. Volvo affirms the S90, making use of its 2.0-liter plenty of normal water outlines turbo fuel engine, desire to use 8.1 L/100 km of premium unleaded shortly after a blend of readily available up and area roadways. My assessment of more than 375.4 kilometers, ingesting freeways, region and suburban cellular phone up childcare decrease out commitments, run into our S90 utilizing 11.79L/100 km, thought to be making use of the fuel everyday common normal water to beverage water to drink pump motor engine electric engine power strength electrical generator. The precise atmosphere upbeat components usually review that regarding the manufacturer's info, to achieve the V6 look after, utilizing its professed 9.6L/100 km, to obtain a great deal much better period nevertheless once more using the exact same method of computer software. New Volvo S90 2023 release date and price. Nevertheless, the Volvo S90 contains a foundation price of almost $57,000, as opposed to considerably rearing. Many Volvo car dealerships are offering cheaper preliminary expenditures. Although the easy price for almost any Volvo S90 is $56,740, some recognized Volvo car dealerships are supplying very lower expenses monthly bills for $1,500. Consequently, as opposed to price enhancement inside the assault from spot, the price generally minimizes out of your own foundation.